What is good, everybody? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I know it's been a while since the last video, week, maybe going on 2 weeks, but back again with another 2-hat drop pickup and review. Of course, coming from HatClub. I picked these up actually in store, and the part that's a little crazy about this video is, or as far as this pickup, you know I usually go to the HatClub store that's located in Ontario, California, at the Ontario Mills outlet. Kind of a nice size little, they call it an outlet mall, but it's regular stores in there. More regular stores than actually outlet stores in there. But the crazy part is, come to find out, that's not the only HatClub store in the area. There's actually another store in a place called Victoria Gardens in the Victoria Gardens Mall. And I didn't know. Actually, I was on Google and I was trying to Google the HatClub store to see what time they closed because I was going to make a late run in. And come to find out, both stores popped up. And normally, when I always knew that HatClub store was in Ontario. I just never really had a reason to go by Ontario Mills like that. But I recently started going in, just, trying to pick up random hats and then stop really dealing with, per se, the other hat guys, you know what I mean? I started leaning more towards HatClub after that whole fiasco with the whole, well, you know the point, you know who I'm talking about. So I just started leaning towards more HatClub and found out they had that store. And then, like I said, come to find out, they got 2 stores. So I went to go check out the store in Victoria Gardens, and it's pretty decent selection, man. I mean, I can't even complain. I picked these 2 up here. I actually picked these 2 up on their clearance section. And one thing I gotta say, I don't want to just ramble on, but one thing I will say about HatClub, Jesus, man, when you go to their clearance section, I mean, everything is good. It's just everything is good. What can you, I mean, like literally, like if you missed out on something before because you were grabbing something else and you just happened to go back and grab it, like you're really not losing. You know what I'm saying? That's the one good thing that I love about HatClub. Their collabs, their new releases, but then when you go back and be like, oh, okay, I remember that one, and it's on clearance, it's like you're just super winning. But with that being said, got these 2 drops on their clearance section. Of course, you got your HatClub bag, got your HatClub receipt. Oh, and another thing I got, shout out to HatClub, man, going in store, got a little card, man, from for basically all of January. Anything over $40, which is pretty much a new release hat, you get $10 off. So shout out to HatClub for that. Definitely gonna be getting some use out of that, and I actually got 2 of them, so that's pretty cool. So, and the first one, like I said, man, we're just gonna hop right into it. You know how I do. No reason to get with all the fancy when you pretty much know what's coming. So this first one, this is one of my first pickups in this style, but lately these have been hot dropping right now. So without further ado, get into it. It's the Milwaukee Brewers Sugar Skull hat. And the reason why I say these are a hot commodity right now, you see I caught this on the sale price, got this for 15 bucks. Got your HatClub pin on top. And the reason why I'm saying these are a hot commodity right now, if you haven't been on the site, if you don't know, they've been doing a lot of pre-orders, a lot of them that I jumped on, and they've done their pre-order sugar skull caps for the NFL. So without even saying, you already know I jumped right on that and got a Raiders one. So that was had to happen. But this is the first sugar skull cap in any team I had, you know what I mean? And I like the colorway. So, and in store, like the guy said there that was working, a lot of the sugar skull caps that they had in store, they kind of flew off the shelf. So I was glad I was able to grab this one. Because as you know, with me and shoes, I got a lot that'll go with this colorway, but I would pretty much have any colorway to go with a shoe because I pretty much got all color shoes. But like I said, you got your exclusive cap, you got your sale cap on there, you got your new era flag that's pretty much blended into the hat. And I like the back logo, so it still has the kind of like the goldish, you know what I mean? But then still has the navy blue on there for the colors. But like I said, man, these skulls, man, these are sick, man. And I can't wait for my Raiders one to drop, man. That is going to be bananas right now, you know what I mean? Especially right now, going into the NFL draft. Oh, shout out to the NFL moving the draft to Las Vegas, man, with the new stadium up and everything going on. I am trying to procure a room out there for them because I'm trying to be out there for that. And I'm pretty sure that footage would be bananas because you already know I would take you guys with me. Stay tuned for the updates on that because right now I'm looking, and because it is the NFL draft, you already know the prices are astronomical, even off of the strip. Just being in Vegas in April for the draft, it is crazy, but I'm still going to try to get out there for the cause, for the culture, for Raider Nation. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to get out there if it's the last thing I do. But off topic, you got your Sugar Skull Milwaukee Brewers cap, man. Then the next one, I thought this one was a pretty dope colorway. And like I said, and for both of these, I got them both for 15 bucks. So you really can't beat that. It's your Bull Durham minor league hat. And like I said, with this hat, it's dope because the first thing I thought of when I seen this colorway is my Timberlands. My Timberlands, my Travis Scotts, anything with that kind of brown, khaki-ish kind of color to it. So this was a must-have for me. Like I said, man, if you ain't got your fitted right with your kicks, then kind of what's the point? So I had to have this cap when I seen it. It was more so, I mean, hell, if you love the movie, if you're really old school like that, you moving the movie Bull Durham, you know, old school comedy. I believe Kevin Costner was in it. It was a pretty dope movie back in the day, especially if you're a football person. You know what I mean? It was pretty funny back in the days. But this is not the original colorway, I'm sure, because I believe the colorway in the movie was like blue and white or something like that. But like I said, again, you got your white New Era on there. You got your minor league logo in the back right there. But yeah, pretty dope colorway. Like I said, go with your Timbos, Travis Scotts, you know what I mean? Anything with a dark brown khaki-ish type color to it. And then I like that they kept the brim under it, you know what I'm saying, kind of matching with the whole detail. They didn't hit you with a funny brim under it that would kind of throw it off. They kept it kind of true with the black. I would like to see them kind of put a khaki color brim on there. I think that kind of would have set it off too myself, you know what I mean? But like I said, man, pretty dope for 15 bucks on their clearance section. Not to throw jabs at nobody, but I mean, Liz clearance section, it didn't used to be good. It just I'm sorry. You disagree with me, comment down below, but you know, I bought from Liz for a long time too. I was that guy, so it's not like I'm saying that, but their clearance section, maybe because they just don't have a lot of the caps to go up, you know, pace to pace with HatClub, because, you know, all the collabs, the different colorways, all the different things that they do. Liz just doesn't do that. And let's be honest, it's just gone totally downhill since that whole merger sale thing. Is like, I mean, for Liz to be Liz and HatClub to be HatClub, it's like, to me personally, I'm gonna be honest, it's like Liz is not even in the same category anymore. That's just my opinion. Again, there's an open channel, man. Comment down below, let me know what you think, but that's just my personal opinion. When you deal with, you know, just steady collabs jumping out, you know what I'm saying, just dope colorways. I mean, the whole Sugar Skull thing. And not even only this, I forgot too, the new release of the World Series and All-Star for baseball with the pink underbrim. I guess it was a hot commodity release out in their NoHo store. I got one of those too. I got one of those coming. Don't want to say the team because I want it to be a surprise, but a lot of the pre-orders are going to be releasing in April. But Jesus, man, I mean, like, just like that. I mean, a lot of people like, oh, they don't do pink, this and all that. Like, the Chinese New Year's that just released, I'm going to be honest, I'm trying to cop those. Hopefully they still have a 14 by the time I cop them. I'm trying to wait till all the smoke clears and see, you know what I'm saying, if they're going to sell out or what they're going to do. Me, in my opinion, I think they might sit, because I don't know a lot of people that are going to know how to work with that shoe. When I mean work with it, I mean dress it up, how they going to work it. Like me, pre-ordering that hat with the pink underbrim, with the kind of like the pink midsole that the Chinese New Year's have. You just, if you know, you know, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, I think that's going to kill. So, but like I said, it's another story for when those come in. Like I said, both of those, the NFL Sugar Skulls and the pink underbrims are supposed to be releasing. I think the pre-order for the Sugar Skulls are still going. The pre-orders for the pinks are done, because I think I got the email saying that my order was not actually being processed, but actually being made. So I guess they put in all the pre-orders and they're being made now. So that's a good thing. All of those are supposed to be hitting early April from the information I'm gathering. I'm pretty sure everybody else was following them on Twitter, Instagram, and things like that. So stay tuned for all that, man. But these are the cops so far. Early clearance section, new store location, Victoria Gardens. Hey, man, not bad. 15 bucks, you know what I'm saying? Plus with the $40 off. Or not $40 off, excuse me, the $10 off, $40 spent. Got two of these. That's love. Good looking out HatClub. I definitely will be in there again. So that's the drops for today, man. You got your Bull Durham, got your Milwaukee Brewers Sugar Skull, man. Let me know what you think down below. I mean, 15 bucks, I think I'm winning. You let me know. But this your boy, man. We're going to keep it smooth. We're going to keep it simple. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. And there definitely will be a next one because I'm starting to get piled up again and behind on a lot of reviews. So just bear with me, man. I'm going to get these out, and I'm going to try to get another one out before the weekend is over because I got a little time off, a little downtime. And hopefully I'm going to try to get them out to y'all as fast as I'm getting them in because literally I'm looking around right now, and I got stuff just sitting, like literally sitting. So I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Let me know what y'all thinking down below. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the pickups, and let me know what you think about what I got coming in, man. Let me know if you was able to pick up some of the pre-orders, or if you was able to pick up some of the Sugar Skulls, because like I said, right now the Sugar Skulls, they're hot in the fitted market, man. So let me know what you think, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna holla at y'all. I'm gone.